performance that is sweep the premier class, the Rider of the Year class, MX2 Bornok. Ano yung nangyari sa iyong karera? Kamusta yung karera? Show us from start to finish. Ano yung diskarte?
I know na makakakuha na magandang start yung mga bata dahil mas gamay na yung mamotor nila kasi sa akin. So,
Malinaw.
I only plan to really push it at the mid part of the race and try to pressure yung mga rider na unalalo na si Anton, and then show a win, pakitaan ng gulong, tapos overtake. Yun ang game plan namin today. Because the bike is already dialed in, ang problema, rider lang, iba kami masyadong kaibigan. I would like to give a shout out to the sponsors of this event, RFS. Sa mga magkapatid na RFS, maraming salamat po for allowing me to race. Hansa also, thank you so much. And the Lord Jesus Christ, thank you for giving us everything that we have right now, for keeping everyone safe. I would like to, syempre, thank you for all the blessings. Maraming salamat. And sa team ko, Team Ducati Access Plus, thank you so much. Kay Toti, kay DJ, kay Troy, and to all my friends na nandoon sa lahat ng crew, and especially Bobby Menchas, kay Jason Te, napakadami ko dapat sa mga katawan, the mechanics that worked really hard, IK, Dan, and Puling, lahat, managers and everything, and everyone, thank you so much. I am grateful.
So Bornok, hold on. Kanina in-explain ko gano'ng kahirap yung step up na yon. And then there were times na tinitira mo, there were times na hindi.
Yeah.
Can you explain to them kung gano'ng ka-technical yon?
It was a really risky jump. I can jump it always, pero ang kinakatakot ko yung flat tire. The flat tire will really mess you up. So nagbawas ako ng speed para hindi tirahin, para lang matapos natin yung karera, maiwas tayo sa possibility na ma-flat yung gulong. Kasi talagang gitna-gitna lang. So sinisit bounce siya, nakuha ko na okay naman. Pero yung race na ma-short, flat yung gulong, DNF, it's not worth it.
Amazing! Ladies and gentlemen, Bornok, the king of Philippine motocross, Mang Osong. Very well planned, calculated race. Imagine nyo yun,